So here's complete Similarweb tutorial for beginners. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Similarweb. This is the website. Bloggers also use this website to check their competitors. Paste URL of the website or write website domain like this to analyze the website. You can also analyze apps. I will search junaidjamshed.com. This is all the detail. Company, year founded, employees, HQ, annual revenue, and industry. 43,085 is the global ranking, 260 country ranking, and 8 category ranking. Total monthly visits are 1.1 million. 33.28% bounce rate means these people only visit site and leave. 6.29 pages per visit. 5 minutes and 17 seconds is average visit duration on this website. These are the graphs of category, country, and global rank. This next graph shows the website total visits of last 3 months. Geography and country targeting. Website traffic is from the countries, which are on the right side in top countries section. These are audience demographics, gender and age distribution. 44% female and 55% male. Mostly 25 to 34 years of people visit site. These are the top categories. Other visited websites and top topics. These are the competitors of this website, and you can compare this website with its competitors. Marketing channel distribution. Mostly traffic is from organic search. These are the top keywords which rank this site, means mostly people use these keywords to reach this website. Display advertising traffic. This website uses 2 ad networks. Social media traffic is from WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Now go on first page of website, then click free tools. Top websites. Select category and location. Then click on go. It will show all top websites in the selected category. Click on get started on the top right corner. Then click start your free trial. Now create your free account. I will sign up with Google. Get started. Select one and click next. Fill CAPTCHA and process completed. This is website analysis tool. Search for website and now you can analyze the website. This is the complete Similarweb tutorial for beginners.